The one thing about the IBS curriculum is that it is updated constantly. As a consequence, learning new things is ingrained in us.
The first year curriculum is more or less common for all. Students are then encouraged to choose the electives which we are most naturally inclined to. We are also guided by our professors to realize our areas of strength.
The case-based learning is a little difficult to explain. It is like learning to ride a bicycle. It may be confusing at first, but once you have learned riding it, you know it is going to stay with you for the rest of your life. This is an impossible to forget experience at IBS, and the number one thing which makes us better leaders.
It is not the library or the classroom, but the high connectivity of the Wi-Fi, which has made the cafeteria and hostel rooms a great place for group discussion and learning.
One big change when I look back at IBS is the way I've changed as a person. I no longer have that sense of self-doubt or anxiety that I used to have before. The leadership module at IBS has really helped me to grow as a person.
I have always been interested in the field of finance. The industry interface has helped me to see the world of finance beyond merely numbers and balance sheet.
You realize many things when an industrial professional comes up and speaks to you. The real world is so different. The industry interface helps us make decisions about our future careers.
IBS alumni network is very strong and acts as an interface between the industry and the academia. I myself have visited the campus a couple of times, and I find that IBS experience is truly rewarding.
The IBS experience has been a journey that has really molded us to people that we have become today, and the faculty was kind enough to be our guide, be our mentors, let us know where we need to improve, what we need to do, what the industry expects of us. People who are chosen from the IBS today can contribute in a very, very positive way to their organization. As an alumni, I also think that it's very important that we need to be there for the students that are passing.